Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove object from your video using CapCut PC. So for example, I already have one video here and I'm going to remove one of the people here, which is the person on the far right. Okay, on the far right here. So first duplicate the video, okay, and put on the right. So for the duplicate video, you are just going to select mask, and for this kind of the video, I'm going to select film strip, and okay, and just rotate, okay, and just for the size, and select the sample background from the video, and after done, you are just going to right click on the clip and select create component clip. Okay, make it as an overlay. Just move up, and you are just going to move until you cover up the object that we want to remove, like this. Okay, so this is the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.